What is up everybody, Jessica here from Seaqual South Africa, and in today's video I'm very excited to chat to you about two of the latest additions to the Seaqual product family, and that is QualiDrain Nylon and QualiDrain Light. QualiDrain is a combined channel drain and catch pit, which is a first of its kind in the plumbing and construction industries. It is used to control the flow of excess rainwater by collecting it from surface areas quickly and efficiently. QualiDrain components include a channel with bottom outlet pipe connectors and a dust cover, all manufactured from polypropylene. We then have a U-connector, stop end, side outlets, and a universal 75 to 110 millimeter adapter, all manufactured from ABS. And lastly, there are two great options. The one is made from polypropylene, this is our light version, and the other we make from glass-filled nylon, and this is our nylon version. But we'll talk more about these two a bit later. You will notice that our channel is wider and deeper than regular channels available on the market, which allows it to deal with a greater volume of water. Currently available channel drains are 1 meter in length with no real provision for shortening. If one does need to be shortened, then it's a difficult process. It results in jagged edges that need to be plastic welded together. And so the finished product has no slot for a side outlet or a stop end. This is a big problem, it's untidy, and it will almost certainly leak. Installation lengths are therefore limited to multiples of 1 meter. QualiDrain channels are 250 millimeters in length, meaning that the installer can assemble them in multiples of 250 millimeters. Each section has a male junction at one end and a female junction at the other end. This allows for an easy assembly, and once joined, there are slots that will clip into place to secure one channel firmly to another. If the installer has the need to shorten a section even further, then this is easily achieved. By cutting along this line, a channel can be trimmed by a further 25 millimeters on either side to cater for those awkward lengths. Plus, there is a slot that is left on either side for a stop end or a side outlet. So we really have thought of everything to make the plumber's life easier whilst giving the customer a top of the range finish. Channels are easily assembled in a linear manner to any desired length by simply sliding together opposite junctions similar to Lego. To connect QualiDrain in a T, first cut away the plastic on the inside of the channel in the linear run here, and thereafter connect the female end of another channel like this. Additional channels can then be added to any desired length like so. If you wish to create a cross or an L connection, then this is easily achieved in the same way. Also, when creating an L, just remember that this additional 25 millimeters will need to be trimmed in the same way as I explained earlier. All of these shapes are quick and easy to create, and here's the best part. They require no accessories like junction boxes, T-pieces, 90-degree corners, or crosses. I'm sure anyone would agree that this not only makes for an aesthetic installation, but it also saves time, it saves money, and it requires minimal efforts. Happy plumbers mean happy customers, and as we all well know, this leads to repeat business for retailers. How often have you encountered an area that requires a much larger volume of water to be captured than what a single linear channel drain is designed to handle, but for which there is no integrated solution? Currently, the installer has to dig a catch pit, line it with bricks and mortar, and use bits and pieces of third-party products that were never really designed to work or fit together to connect the channels to the catch pit. This is frustrating, it's costly, and how often hasn't your customer complained because the installation is so untidy? These challenges are easily solved using QualiDrain. A larger volume of water can be dealt with in one of two ways. The first is by using both bottom outlets to lead water into more than one stormwater pipe, and the second is by creating a catch pit. To build a catch pit, channels are connected in parallel to create a linear run of any length and a catch pit of any width. This is done by flipping the channels upside down, placing them parallel to each other, and sliding the U-connector over the male junctions to join the two channels like this. This is repeated until the desired width and length is achieved. Remember to first remove the excess plastic wherever water is required to pass between channels. While I have the product turned over like this, let's talk more about the two bottom pipe connectors, which can be cut to either 50mm or 75mm. And should you need to couple it to a 110mm pipe, then you can use our universal 75 to 110mm adapter, which is fitted with rubber seals to ensure a watertight coupling. The adapter is also supplied with a lubricant to facilitate an easier fitting. The female end of the channel has a slot for connecting a 50mm or a 75mm side outlet or a stop end, and the U connector is used to fit either of these components to the male end like this. Stop ends, U connectors, side outlets, and the 75 to 110mm adapter are each sold separately, so you purchase only what you need. Let's focus for a moment on the QualiDrain grates. As mentioned earlier in this video, there are two versions. The one we manufacture in polypropylene and the other in glass-filled nylon, in a very stylish and unique diamond pattern grate with a non-slip surface which is similar to that of an emery board. The beauty about this particular pattern is that no matter the connection, be it cross, T or L shape, the grate pattern always remains uniform. These small circular elevated bumps along the grate's rough texture give it a double non-slip feature. Grates are available in black, grey, sandstone, brown and green. They can also be made in other colours subject to availability and size of order. The main distinguishing feature between QualiDrain Light and QualiDrain Nylon is their weight carrying capacity. QualiDrain Nylon, when pressure tested, had a massive load bearing capacity of 12.5 tons, giving it a B125 rating, which is ideal for commercial projects and areas with vehicular traffic like driveways, golf courses, basements and vehicle parking lots. QualiDrain Light has a carrying capacity of 1.5 tons. This is an excellent and more cost-effective option for domestic and light commercial installations such as walkways, poolside areas, schools, hospitals, shopping centers, hotels, office complexes, and retirement homes. Both products have a high flow rate with a minimum fill. In addition to the 250mm channels, we also offer QualiDrain Light and Nylon pre-packed in 1 meter lengths or in a 3 meter quali pack for easy installation in garage areas. Each QualiDrain comes with a disposable and recyclable dust cover. This is used in place of the grate whilst concrete is being poured and compacted around the drain. The two circular shaped grooves here can be punched out to easily remove the cover once the concrete has set. The cover is then replaced with the grate, which is in pristine condition, having not been stained, scratched, or damaged by the installation process. A neat installation is a smiling customer. We've also reinforced the sides of the drain using this ribbed pattern to ensure firm anchoring in the concrete. From discussions we've had with industry professionals both locally and internationally, we know that QualiDrain is truly a unique product. There is no comparable one in the world with as many features and benefits packed into one single drain. This has led us to patent the design in South Africa, America, the UK, Germany, and Australia. Technical data sheets, high-resolution photographs, and drawings in all popular formats are available on request. So that was a lot of information, so if you have any questions or you wish to contact us directly, then you can email us on info@seaqual.co.za, or you can visit our website www.seaqual.co.za. You can also follow us on Facebook or Instagram on our handle @SeaqualSA for regular content and updates. We also have a support chat feature that is operational on our website during normal working hours. All links are included in the bio of this video for your convenience. Have a great day and happy plumbing from all of us here at Seaqual.